Healthy habits for kids. Hey there, kids! Are you ready to learn some fun ways to stay healthy? Great! Because we've got tips and tricks that will help you feel your best. First up, let's talk about exercise. Did you know that getting active is not only good for your body, but it can also help your brain? That's right! When you exercise, your brain releases chemicals that make you feel happy and focused. So whether it's playing soccer with your friends, jumping rope, or riding your bike, find something you enjoy and get moving. Next up, let's talk about nutrition. Eating a balanced diet is important for keeping your body healthy and strong. You can do this by eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. But healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. There are tons of delicious and nutritious foods out there that you'll love, like crunchy carrots, juicy strawberries, and yummy grilled chicken. So grab a snack and give your body the fuel it needs. Now let's talk about sleep. Did you know that sleep is super important for your body and mind? When you sleep, your body repairs itself and your brain gets a chance to recharge. So make sure you're getting plenty of rest each night. Establishing a bedtime routine can help too. Try reading a book or taking a warm bath before bed to help you wind down. Last but not least, let's talk about hygiene. Good hygiene is important for keeping germs away and staying healthy. So make sure you're washing your hands frequently, especially before meals and after using the bathroom. Take a bath or shower in the morning and at night. Use soap to wash your body and shampoo and conditioner to clean your hair. And don't forget to brush your teeth twice a day to keep your smile bright and healthy. Great job, kids! Now you know some easy and fun ways to stay healthy. Remember, exercise, nutrition, sleep, and hygiene are all important parts of a healthy lifestyle. So let's make sure we're taking care of ourselves every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. See you next time!
Don't forget to subscribe.